starting today's episode a little bit later in the day, but it's gonna be centered around building the actual award. So I'm going to pack up all of the stuff that I need, head over to CJ and Kyle's apartment for pouring the concrete, and yeah, get it all on film. So excited to bring you with me. Let's hit it. Here are all 7 of the molds, so gonna get those packed up. Alright, we're gonna pour 7 different awards. We have to start by lubing up the molds with Vaseline so that the concrete doesn't stick. This looks like a mad scientist setup for sure.
Alright, well, give me an update, Wells.
We're doing batches of 2 now.
Oh no.
Oh no. I think we might need.
Batch.
Yeah.
This is 2.
I think we might need more.
I'm confused.
We need some more black.
I think we need some more black. Yeah.
Alright, we got the pigment here.
It's flour.
Yeah. Superfood. So here's the overview.
CJ's filming.
Alex, are you allergic to anything?
No. Whisk.
So Carol's cooking dinner over there. These are the molds.
What are we cooking here?
They got
We're making awards. Remember how we made them like a while ago for tests?
and then rubber bands on the outside after they do like 3 turns.
like
You
for
got the concrete and some more black here.
yeah.
What do you want?
Status update. What's going on?
We need more black.
We need more black.
Very black.
That's my duty.
Yeah, but we might.
Okay. More black.
Yeah. Give her what you got.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god. Why would you do that much?
Holy shit.
Wow, that's dark as night.
I can't even see what I'm doing.
Should we do more? All right. Good work, team. Wow. Let's go.
So easy.
That was 2 minutes. All right. Let's hope they turn out.
When I filmed you guys, that was so out of focus.
Perfect. All right, we will check back in when they are fully cured. Until then, KB's making dinner.
Bye.
All right, we're gonna open one of them. We're gonna let the other ones cure overnight, and we'll see them this week. But we'll show you what one of them looks like.
Oh, it hurts.
Oh god, oh.
We're gonna have to like rip it open.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah,
Okay, this one's harder though.
yeah, that one's impossible. Is this hard enough though?
Yeah, feel it?
Wow, it looks really good. Oh, it's really good. Oh.
You want it?
No, you can do it. Here, I'll film.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Go further back. Yeah.
Ooh, not bad.
Not bad at all.
That's great.
We gotta get the edges off, right? Just
Yeah.
like knock them off.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, that's what one looks like. So we're gonna go to bed now, let the others cure overnight, but that's one done. Thanks for watching. Oh, wait. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.